Hello, good morning everybody. Thank you for watching my channel. This is my product, this carton book for packing beds, bedroom, opium bed for my customer Germany. This is three parts carton book for the customer Germany. We send this product to Jogja. To forwarding in Jogja uh, every month we have orders of census 2 5 pieces uh, bedroom opium bedroom from Jogja. Yes, this is three parts about the carton box. We are ready for the packing to Yogyakarta. After we putting the carton box to Jogja, we have three parts the carton box. We have a medium carton box that we can use from the manufacturer in Jepara. Thank you for the watching. May I interested about the products from Japan Furniture, you can contact us to channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and see you the next video. Bye bye.